I'm applying for a new villain loan. Go by the name of Vector. It's a mathematical term, a quantity represented by an arrow with both direction and magnitude. Vector! That's me, because I'm committing crimes with both direction and magnitude. Oh yeah!
Greetings to everybody. So, today we are doing vectors, and if you had the joke, you got the joke. And the joke was about Vector and Despicable Me, as how he said it. So this question wants me to do like kind of having the resultant vector which has like 3 and 5 squares left or something like that. But the problem is I can't actually really say do that because the problem that I have at this kind of question, I don't have kind of a calculator to do that. But we're gonna see how the vectors work. So we get 3 given vectors, which are in top over here, vector C, vector B, and vector A. So that's the vectors that we have. Now they want us to find out 3 vector A, which since I don't have very good amount, I'm gonna guess that's like kind of triple that one, so that's the 3 vector A. And then you have 1/2 of vector C, so you have to shorten that vector because we are dividing. We never divide vectors, but over here, because we are having 1/3 of vector C, that means the magnitude is divided by 3. So we have a very shorter one. And then you have -3 vector B, which I'm not currently sure whether I just continue that vector or just go up. So I'm going to use that one because I'm kind of pretty sure this one is right, but if not, then I have to use that one for some other kind of question. Or maybe a little upper, to be honest. I didn't have space, so that's what happened to that vector. So you have 3 vector A, which is going to be going straight line towards the right, and then I'm going to get the tip of that connected to tail of the vector -3 vector of B, which again I'm saying I'm going with that one, so I'm going downwards here. And then you have 1/3 of vector C, which is going to be a little towards what C is going. So a little upper again, but that's how you. So I think that is quite like large. I can say 6 over here and then 3 over here. So that's the vector P we have. Probably 1/2 we can say. Slow. So that's how we get vector P. And then vector P is 3 vector A. I forgot to put the vector over here. Plus -3 vector B, because we're adding them up. And the -1/3 of vector C equals resultant vector that we have, vector P. So by having that, we are trying to get the vector that we call resultant, and we get the magnitude and stuff like that. Now, another part of the question I got is that I have to 1/3 vector C, the quiet one, so we're going to 1/3 vector C first, and then we're going to do 3 vector A, just like the question. So we're going to do the same step again, and then we redraw the whole thing. And then we are going to do the 3b, -3b, which is going to that way. It was -3 vector B. Or again, it can be up over here, and then it can be like go up over here because I'm not sure about this one. And then comes this way to become vector Q, or this way to become vector Q. Now here's the problem that I see. If the -3b is actually true, then the vector Q is bigger than vector P. But if we have this vector that we have right there, then that means vector Q is kind of, from what I'm seeing in the look, is equals to vector P. So that's what we have to put vectors. And again, I'm not sure how to do that -3 vector B. You have to watch some other experts, or probably Dr. Lane, go attend his classes. But here's what I did, and hope you guys enjoyed.